A is for apple, B is for bouncing ball, and C is for colorful candy. I'm G and I'm giggling. I'm H, watch me bop. And I am I, shining bright. M is marching, M is nodding, O is rolling round. We are here to learn our letters. V is vibrating, W is waving, X is glowing. V, W, X.